Meaning of declassification.
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 Declassification. Declassification refers to the act of removing the classification status of documents or information that were previously deemed classified by a government authority. The result of declassification is that the formerly classified materials can become available to the public and are no longer subject to restrictions related to national security or other confidentiality concerns. Declassification can also allow for greater transparency in government affairs and may enable historians, journalists, and members of the public to more fully understand past events or decision-making processes.